Good morning, children. Let us discuss this class. We will discuss about, of course, last class we have discussed about periodic test. Upcoming periodic test is going to commence on 8th February. That is next week onwards. So our paper, that is social science, geography and history on 9th. 9th is our social science paper. So I have given already the syllabus, that is 3 chapters which you have to prepare. That is chapter number 8, human interactions, tropical and subtropical region. Chapter number 9, that is temperate grasslands. Chapter number 10, chapter life in the desert. So last class we have discussed about the life in the deserts, like examples, a few questions I given. Then followed by this class I will give you a brief introduction about chapter number 9, that is temperate grasslands. Temperate grasslands. So regarding this topic, temperate grasslands, yes, we should understand is grasslands, life in the grasslands. Yes. The example today, the grasslands normally can be identified in different reasons. So these grasslands are given various names according to continent wise. Wealth grasslands, prairies grasslands, pampas grasslands, Murray-Darling grasslands, steppes, all those. So when you come about this grasslands, wealth is most important these days. Wealth, W-E-L, is wealth region. Most important. So this is wealth or the grasslands of South Africa is. Wealth is the name of the grasslands of the continent of Africa. See, for example, if you see, name the rivers which drains in the wealth region. Name the rivers which drains in the wealth region. Which are the regions, rivers, for example, river Orange. Have you heard about Orange? River Orange, river Limpopo. You can write down river Orange, O-R-A-N-G-E, river Orange. And number 2, Limpopo, L-I-M-P-O-P-O, Limpopo, river Orange and Limpopo, and their tributaries. Orange and Limpopo are the important rivers of the wealth region. Which are the 2 important rivers which you can find in this thing is. What are those? One is Orange and second one is Limpopo. Rivers which are drained in the well are Orange, Limpopo and their tributaries. Correct? Yeah. That is it. And when we come to the next one is the last question. Name the 2 important rivers which drains in the well. The 2 important rivers which drains in the wells are river Orange, river Limpopo and their tributaries. This you have to write. Orange River, Limpopo and their tributaries are drained in the wealth region. Where are the wells in Africa, South Africa, right? Wealth grasslands. That is one. Now coming to which are the plants, which are the crops they are grown in the Amazon basin. For example, Amazon is one of the biggest basin, largest basin in South America. Amazon basin is. Okay, so that region, which are the plants normally grown here, the crops grown in the Amazon basin are. So what type of crops? Like how we are cultivating rice, wheat in our India. So therefore, around the Amazon basin, if you take around that basin, South American continent, Amazon is a Brazil. Amazon basin is situated around the Brazil. Brasilia capital. Yeah. So Amazon basin located around the Brazil. So this around the basin, which are the crops? Name the crops which are grown around the people of Amazon basin. Which are the crops grown by the people of South America, around the Amazon basin. So normally here the people grows on tapico, pineapples and sweet potato. Pineapples, sweet potato and tapico. These are the crops normally they grow in Amazon basin. They grow in Amazon basin. One is tapico, T-A-P-I is tapico, T-A-P-I-O-C-A, tapico. T-I-P-I-O-C-A, tapico, sweet potato and pineapples. These are the most important crops grown by the people of South America around the Amazon basin. Tapico, sweet potato and pineapples are the most important crops grown around the Amazon basin by the people of the Amazon. Basin. Which are the crops? Tapico, sweet potato and pineapples are three important crops grown around the Amazon basin. Clear? Name the rivers which are drained in the wells: Orange and Limpopo. Not only Orange and Limpopo, at the same time their tributaries. There are many tributaries. Clear? And name the grasslands of South Africa. Yes, you can write down well. Well is also important grasslands of South Africa. Yes, right? So this kind of questions can be asked from the topic of chapter number 9. That is temperate grasslands. Clear? One is name the important rivers which are drained in the wells. That is river Orange and river Limpopo and their tributaries. And which are the main crops mainly grown around the Amazon basin. The people of Amazon normally cultivated the crops like tapico, pineapples and sweet potato. These are the common common crops grown in the Amazon basin. Right? Okay, this is the question. And when you come to this, you take here chapter number 8, that is human interactions, tropical and subtropical regions. If you take India is a tropical country. And if you here related to India, they may ask you, which are the major cities located on the bank of river Ganga, river. As you know very well, yes, this is the human interactions. Chapter number human interaction. Is tropical and subtropical region. Tropical and subtropical region. This is chapter number 8. Human interactions, tropical and subtropical region. See, when you talk about this topic, we take mainly India. India is a tropical country. Tropical, subtropical country. So if you take here, we find there are cities which are located on the rivers of the bank of the different river valleys. Particularly if you take in India, yes, Ganga. Ganga is the most important river. It's a well-known river. So related to Ganga, they may ask you, name the important cities which are located on the bank of river Ganga. The question is, important major cities located on the bank of Ganga. They may ask question, which are the major cities located on the bank of Ganga? Name the important cities which are located the bank of river Ganga. So you know very well, yes, there are various prominent cities are located on the river bank of the Ganga. Number one is Rishikesh, Allahabad, Patna, Devaprayaga, Allahabad, Rishikesh. Okay. What else? What else you want? Yes. What all the things is? Anybody can tell you? Which are the major cities? Yes. Devaprayag, Rishikesh, Haridwar, Allahabad, Varanasi. Yeah. Which are the main cities? The following cities are located. The following cities are located on the bank of River Ganga. One is Rishikesh, Haridwar, Devaprayag, Allahabad, Patna, and Varanasi. These are the most important cities which are located on the bank of River Ganga. And you know which is the birthplace of Ganga? Gangotri. So Ganga rises at Gangotri Glacier. Gangotri Glacier near Manasarovar. It rises from Manasarovar near Tibet. So that was the, you can say, Gangotri Glacier. So that was the birthplace. So here around the Ganga is. So there are major cities like Rishikesh, Haridwar, Devaprayag, Varanasi, Patna, Allahabad, Rishikesh, Haridwar, and Devaprayag. These are all the important cities which are located around the Ganga River. So these kind of questions, I think, if you prepare. Of course, I have not given the notes since you have completed syllabus. Now I am giving one by one. Last class I given chapter 1, 2, third chapter supposed to start. Then our examination approaching. Okay, right? But I have seen the cadet, our girl cadet Jessica. She had completed everything up to date. I had checked all the topics right from beginning, first chapter to 10th topic. She has done very good work, beautiful work she had done. I had checked all the topics. So I hope all the other boys have prepared the notes. Right? Pihu, yes. Pihu Tiwari has done extremely well. I have checked personally the homework book case. Right? So therefore, this is one of the finest example for very dedicated, very sincere, very prominent. बहुत अच्छा काम करता है. So therefore, she is a model. She is a model for everybody else. So other boys also see her and learn. The actress how she has performed. Really, I am very happy. Hats up to Tiwari, but she is doing extremely well, and I hope we will do our level best because of COVID-19. We were unable to do it. Every day I have been seeing she is very regular, working, coming. She is doing very extremely well, right? So therefore, these three topics please prepare. I told you the children which are the important cities which are located around the Ganga River. The most important rivers, cities located around Ganga River are Haridwar, Devaprayag, Rishikesh, Allahabad, Varanasi, and Patna. These are the major cities which are located, which are lying on the bank of the river Ganga. These kind of questions we can distinguish. Okay. Next, one more thing is there is one more question. Last question is right. And what are the major occupations of the people of Amazon basin? When you talk about this grasslands, temperate grasslands, yes. Of course, most of the people they have been transforming people. They have been migrating from according to the climatic conditions. So, what are the main economic activities? What are the major economic activities performed by the people of Amazon basin? Now, the main activities performed by these people, Amazon basin. One is agriculture. Yes. Apart from agriculture, what are the crops grown? I have told you: tropical, pineapple, and sweet potato. So these are the crops which are normally grown in the Amazon basin. So apart from the agriculture, apart from agriculture activities, what are the other activities, other economic activities they have been performing? So I mean to say the occupation. Here agriculture also an occupation. We will consider as one occupation. Other than agriculture, yes. One is sheep rearing, dairy farming, okay, cattle rearing. So these you can write. These are the activities performed by the people of Amazon basin. You may ask question. What are the major occupations of the people of Amazon basin? The major occupations of the people of Amazon basin are: one is sheep rearing, cattle rearing, dairy farming. These all things you can write. Okay, dairy farming as well as sheep rearing, goat rearing. Yes. Okay, animals rearing. These are the major occupations from the Amazon basin. When we talk about this grasslands, right? So these are the three topics you can prepare for your three topics and prepare for your periodic test 2 examination, which is going to start from 8th February onward. That means next Monday. Today is Tuesday. So next Tuesday, by this time your paper is over. Geography paper. Clear? Please remember what I have discussed, all those things. Most probably the same questions will be repeated. Right? What are those? Which continent does Sahara Desert located? And name the two types of deserts found in the world. And which are the major trees grown in around the Ladakh region? That is willows and poplars. And which are the fruits they are cultivating? Apples, apricots, and walnuts. And around the temperate grasslands. Okay, name the rivers which are drying in the Valley region. That is the Orange River as well as Limpopo and their tributaries. This kind of thing, rivers are where in this one. Then which are the people? What they have been cultivating there? That is, which are the crops grown around the Amazon basin? Crops grown apricot, pineapples as well as sweet potato. Apart from agriculture, what are the major occupations around the Amazon basin? Sheep rearing, cattle rearing as well as dairy farming. Clear? This kind of questions you can make it a notes for this things. I hope this is, if you are going to this, more than enough. Clear?